Welcome to online classes from Montbashir School. As I am your English teacher, so today I am going to take English grammar of class 4. Let's start the class. As I am teaching you chapter 4 nouns, naming words. So what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Kinds of nouns. How many kinds of nouns are there? There are 5 kinds of nouns. They are proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. In which proper nouns and common nouns I had already taught you. So today I am going to teach you collective nouns and material nouns. Okay? First, the definition. What is a collective nouns? A collective noun is the name of a collection of persons, animals or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Means what? What is a collective? Collection of person, collection of animals and collection of things. Few example you see. India has a strong army. So what this army means? The word army is a collection of soldiers. Yes, students, it is a collection of soldiers. So this will become our collective noun. Whereas she saw a herd of sheep. This herd, what do you mean by this herd? It is a collection of sheep. So this herd will become our collective noun. One example more you see. There is a crowd in the street. So what this crowd is? This crowd is a collection of people. Understood? So army, herd, crowd, all. What is this all? This is all known as the collective noun. Okay? As a army, spoken together, spoken of the soldier, right? Taken together. Herd what? Collection of sheep. Understood? So it is army, herd, crowd, all, bouquet, this all become a collective nouns. Okay? Now material nouns. Say with me first one. A material noun is the name of a material or substance from which a thing is made. Now you see the example. Here what it wants to say you that the material noun is the material from the substance, the material or substance from which a thing is made. Anything which is made up of that substance or material is called the material noun. As suppose you see a ring. This ring is made up of gold. Okay, so what happened? So gold will become the material of this ring. Understood? Understood? So again say with me, what is a material noun? A material noun is the name of a material or substance from which a thing is made. Example you see. Sumit purchased a gold ring. The ring is made up of what? Gold. So gold will be material noun. This box is made up of wood. So box is made up of what? Wood. So this wood will be material noun. This cotton dress is cheap. The dress is made up of cotton. So cotton will be material noun. Gold, wood, cotton. This will be our material nouns. Few more example you see. Air, gold, silver, iron, copper, coal, water, etc. Okay. So what the material nouns? Again say a material noun is the name of a material or substance from which a thing is made. Understood? I hope so you have cleared. I hope so you must have understood what is the collective noun and material noun. Today my homework is to learn the definition of collective noun and material nouns. Okay, till then stay home, stay safe.